my channel. My name is Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my channel, then you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to cook Igbo soup. Some people call it ukpo. I know it's a rare video, so whenever you see it, please share it. Let's get started. So we are going to start cooking the meat. Look at the beef. So we are not going to add any spices, okay? We are going to season it. So here, the broth. So I am cooking this soup with beef and cow skin. Okay, that's the broth from the cow skin. The cow skin is already cooked, so I don't have to cook it again. It's properly cooked. Our seasoning. The soup I am making today is a special soup. It's called Igbo soup. Most people call it ukpo. It's like a achi. Okay, it's a thickener. Okay, it thickens the soup. It's a rare Igbo soup recipe. So I'm going to cover the pot. No spices, no curry powder, no spices, all right, except local spices. I will cover the pot and let our beef cook. All right, I'll be introducing other ingredients. So other ingredients, we have our dry fish. We are going to wash it and debone it, okay, before using it. It's very important in this Igbo soup. Dry fish. Have our fresh pepper. It's delicious when you make it spicy and hot. Igbo soup needs to be spicy and hot, but not too spicy, okay? We have ogili. Okay, it's locust bean, fermented locust bean. You need it when you're cooking any Nigerian soup. So we have our ground crayfish. In any Nigerian soup, you need crayfish. All right, I'm going to be introducing our vegetable for today's cooking. Let's get started. So the soup we are making today is an Igbo Enugu State soup. It is called Iba. It went through so many processes to get to this stage. It's roasted, okay, it's a knot, and it acts like a thickener. It thickens the soup just like achi, but this is Igbo, okay? To make the Igbo soup, you have to dissolve it with oil. You don't add it inside the pot just like that, or it will become lumps. So let's add some oil. So when you are cooking Igbo soup, make sure you don't put too much because it rises, okay? So we're using red oil, all right? Mix it up like this before you add it to your pot. So our meat has been cooking for a while. So this is our star ingredient. Igbo. So many people are looking for this recipe. It's a rare recipe that you can hardly see online. I'm telling you the truth. So if you're interested, this is how to make Igbo soup. It's also known as Ogbo. It's Ogbo soup recipe. Ogbo Enugu State soup recipe. Okay, our meat has been cooking, and now it's time to add the ukpo / Igbo. Okay, so look at it. It thickens the soup like ofo or achi, but this is called Igbo. And it's very rare to see the video online. So if you eat it, this is how to cook it. So many people ask about this, how to cook this. So because I've added oil, enough oil, you can still add some if you want, but I think this one is enough. So look at the IBA, it has thickened. Okay, we are going to add some water, our crayfish blend with pepper, some water. So this is Uziza. You must put this in this IBA soup. This is Uziza powder, okay, peppercorn powder. All right, you must use it. Either you use the powdered one or you use the fresh leaf, okay, and that brings out the taste of the IBA. Without this, it will not be tasting like IBA soup. That's why I said IBA soup is usually hot, okay, because this peppercorn is very hot. All right, so at this point I'm going to add our fish. It's washed. I'm gonna add some salt, stir it. So let's cover it up and let the IBA cook properly before we add our vegetable. So I'm going to be using bitter leaf. You can use ora or oha leaf, okay? But I'm using bitter leaf or ogu. Mostly it's with oha. It's hard for you to see people using bitter leaf for this soup, okay? But I've tasted it and it tastes so delicious. It's oha ogu, okay? I'm gonna mix it up. We are coming to the end of this video. Please share it. All right. Look at our soup. Today we prepared a delicious IBA soup. Okay, you can add water, okay, if it is too thick. We've come to the end of this video and it's time to plate our food. So today we've come to the end of our video. We prepared IBA soup and this is it. Please share this video, comment, and we'll see you